up late. Well, I didn't wake up late. I was just too lazy to go because, you know, as the title says, I'm skipping school today. So apparently there's 7 minutes left until my bus comes. I actually missed my bus. I usually ride the bus 80 to go to school, but I missed it because it usually comes at 8:27. So I get out of mine at 8:20, but today it came at 8:14. So whatever. I obviously couldn't get on it. So okay, so it's currently 9:47-ish. I'm back at the study cafe. The elevator is just here. We are gonna go and study. I'm back home. I'm literally lying down on the couch right now. It's currently around 5. Oh shit, I should have eaten before 6 p.m., but you know, whatever. It's 5:50, so we're gonna have a quick dinner. I'm actually not supposed to eat after 5, but you know, I'm actually not hungry, but I just want to have some food for some comfort. This is not a good habit. Tomorrow is Friday. I planned on not going to school tomorrow, but all my friends told me, well, that it'd be fun to go to school without them, which is really weird. Like, what do you mean? But I honestly thought that it would be fun. Even I agreed that it'd be fun to make like a 24-hour without my friends kind of a thing. Because I'm an extrovert and I hate when I don't have my friends with me at school. And I can't eat alone, so I'm obviously not gonna go to the cafeteria by myself. So I'm starving tomorrow? No, I'll probably get some food. But yeah. We're just gonna go and have dinner, and we're gonna go back to the study cafe and study a bit. And today was a wreck because I skipped school. I went to the study cafe and then like I studied. I took a little bit of a nap and then I studied, and then I came back home right now. I just got my card. Like, I lost my card last week or like the week before, and I had to get it delivered to me, so I just got it through my mail today. Guys, look at the sunsets. Oh my god. Why is it so pretty? Such a pretty day to waste inside the study cafe. Okay, maybe I just don't want to study. unbox something very special that I bought because I am a very I relieve my stress through spending money. So I have a knife here. We have our package over here. As you guys can see, it's all done. I have all the yellow ones here. We're just gonna put that away. And here we have the new one. Oh my god, I'm so excited for that.